Each year, along one stretch of Britain's southern coastline, an extraordinary spectacle unfolds. The ones being hunted leap for their lives, escaping not just one, but predators from two worlds. Here, on England's southwest coast, the Atlantic Ocean meets a coastline shaped by powerful tides and rocky headlands. The currents gather nutrients and life, attracting a vast number of small fish. Among these are garfish, sleek, agile, and built for speed. But what appears to be a frantic display is in fact a story of pursuit and of a hunter that leaves little room for escape. The Atlantic bluefin tuna. Powerful, fast, and capable of reaching speeds more than 70 kilometers an hour. But the garfish aren't just escaping one predator. Every leap creates an opportunity for the ones watching from the skies. But even here, there is competition. As the cormorant struggles to swallow its catch, a young herring gull sees an opportunity. Relentless, the gull does not give up. And after much of struggle, it finally has it. A prize too large to swallow, yet far too valuable to surrender. The young gull retreats to the shore to deal with a meal that refuses to go down easily. After a long tug of war, it begins to break the garfish into manageable pieces. But, even in death, the garfish demands one final effort from its predator. Out at sea, the desperate escape continues. For several days each year, these waters become the stage for an extraordinary chain of events. Every hunt creates new opportunity, and every predator plays its part in a story as old as the ocean itself. Along the coast of Devon, this remarkable event reminds us that survival is rarely the story of a single hunter, but of an entire ecosystem bound together by the endless cycle of pursuit, opportunity, and life.